Welcome. Ever feel like navigating conversations, especially with women, is a bit like trying to decipher a secret code? You're not alone. Many of us have been there, wishing for a smoother, more genuine connection. Today, we're going to explore how to truly master the art of conversation, not just with women, but in all your interactions, by focusing on what truly matters: authentic connection and genuine interest. Think about those cinematic masterpieces that captivate us. They aren't just about stunning visuals and amazing special effects. They're built on compelling characters, relatable emotions, and stories that resonate deeply. The same principle applies to our conversations. When we approach them with a sense of curiosity and a genuine desire to understand another person, we unlock a different kind of magic. It's easy to get caught up in trying to say the right thing, to impress, or to perform. But often, the most impactful conversations are the simplest. They're about active listening, about truly hearing what someone is saying, not just waiting for your turn to speak. It's about asking open-ended questions that invite them to share their thoughts and experiences, and then being present enough to absorb their answers. This isn't about having all the answers yourself. It's about creating a space where the other person feels seen and valued. Consider the stirring adventures we love to watch. They often involve characters facing challenges, learning, and growing. In our own lives, conversations can be a similar journey of discovery. When you show genuine interest in someone's passions, their dreams, or even their everyday experiences, you're opening a door to a richer understanding. It's about finding common ground, yes, but also about appreciating the unique perspectives that make each person so interesting. This isn't about a set of tricks or lines to memorize. It's about cultivating a mindset of empathy and respect. It's about being present, being curious, and being yourself. When you focus on making the other person feel comfortable and heard, you naturally create a more positive and engaging dynamic. This approach fosters deeper connections, builds trust, and makes every interaction a more rewarding experience. So, let's shift our focus from trying to win a conversation to truly connecting. Let's embrace the opportunity to learn, to share, and to build genuine rapport. By practicing active listening, showing sincere interest, and being authentically ourselves, we can transform our conversations into something truly special, much like the timeless stories that stay with us long after the credits roll. Thank you for joining me on this exploration. I hope this perspective empowers you to approach your conversations with newfound confidence and a deeper sense of connection. If you found this helpful, consider following for more insights on building meaningful relationships and navigating the world with grace.